Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Garden Stories. Today's video is all about how to make Cocopeat and potting mix. So this is a Cocopeat. Actually this comes in a compressed form as compressed coconut fiber. The main work of it is to hold water for a long time. For using this you have to add water. I have used half of this earlier. So I'm adding water according to my requirement. I'm not using this whole brick because I don't need that much of it. After putting water, you have to dry this in sunlight. So let's do this. Actually, after adding water, this will increase in volume as you can see. So moving on to potting mix. For preparing potting mix, you need garden soil mixed with compost, cocopeat and perlite. You can also use vermicompost instead of this manure. You can use any manure or compost. Cocopeat is used to hold water for a long time. Main work of perlite is to allow more air around the roots of plant and provide moisture. So I'm going to mix this well and preparing seedling trays for sowing some seeds. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Garden Stories.